Hey guys, welcome back to My Opinion. Today's topic is about the judge. I don't know if you guys heard about it. The judge in Broward County, Florida, that refused to listen to the lady who died 3 days later. Let me tell you a little bit about it. Broward County Circuit Court Judge Merrilee Ehrlich gave defendant Sandra Twiggs, 59, who was in her courtroom facing misdemeanor charges following a family dispute, a verbal beatdown on April the 15th. Now, I'm not surprised about the judge acting like she's God. Most of the time you go into courtrooms, most judges do think they're God. What is the thing? Absolute power corrupts absolutely. Well, in this case, this is a judge who I say is corrupt because if you have a client, which those are your clients that you're serving, because you're serving the public, you're a judge, so you're a public servant. We don't work for you, you work for us. So she would ask this lady a series of questions. When you get a chance, look up the video. I'm sorry I wasn't able to put it up on the screen today. Check out the video. The judge asked the lady, Mrs. Twiggs, a couple of questions, like most judges do. The lady tried to talk to the judge and tell the judge what the judge asked, and the judge flew off the hook. The lady needed her medicine and stuff from her COPD and her asthma. The judge told her, we're not worried about your breathing treatment. So three days later, the lady died. Now, I'm not caught off guard by any of this because we see this far too often, that judges do what they want to in their courtroom and nobody can tell them anything in their universe. Now, what's surprising to me is that we cry over and over and over again about politicians, judges, and all those people not giving us a fair shake and not listening to what we need as a public body. So the surprising thing is, how long does this thing go on that we just keep allowing them to disrespect us, treat us the way they want to treat us, and we leave them in office? We allow them to step down. Like they said, this lady, Miss Ehrlich, she stepped down. Now, I don't know if she's got her whole full retirement benefits, which I hope not. But how is it that politicians and judges can break the law and they're above the law? They can merely just step down. And we allow it to happen. The story fades away. And then we're on to the next story months later, sometimes weeks later. It's always the same outcome. So how do we as a people get together and make sure that these judges are held accountable and the politicians are held accountable, especially in this situation? I don't think this judge should be able to get away with that because the lady was in a wheelchair. She wasn't up jumping around and throwing stuff at the judge. She merely answered the judge's questions that the judge asked her. So now the lady is dead. She can't fight for herself. So now the family is, I guess, probably gearing up to take some kind of legal actions. But the judge gets to weasel her way out, like always. Why is that? So in my opinion, I think the judge is a piece of shit. I just do. And I think that when you open up some of her court cases over a long period of time, you're going to see a whole series of her seeming like she's God. But what can you expect from Broward County? We've heard a lot of things coming from Broward County over the years. The place, I think they just need to throw the whole city away and start all over. It's my opinion. Well, until next time, guys, please subscribe and share. But leave your opinion in a comment, and maybe we can have a part 2 to this, because I'd like to know your opinion on this story, on what you think, and on what you think that we can do as citizens or as just, really citizens that want to make a change and do something different besides letting judges and politicians take advantage of us all the time. So, like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, peace.